Hey Reagan, I hear that there are parts in the kit where I can check out refrigerator magnets.
Yeah, so we have these two nice little refrigerator magnets with the Little Shop of Physics logo.
Ooh.
And we also have a piece of Magnaview paper.
Well, I'm curious, so the refrigerator magnets, show me what I should do with those.
Yeah, so obviously they're magnetic on this side. So what you want to do is you want to stick them together
Uh-huh.
and pull and see what you notice there. And
Okay.
then you can also pull.
Oh, I hear the magnets buzzing.
Yeah, and another cool thing you can do is flip the magnets over and put the paper on top and see something really cool. The reason you can see lines is because the refrigerator magnet is magnetized in lines so that you can put it on and off the refrigerator. And if you flip it over, you'll notice that you don't see any lines, and that is because this side is not magnetic.
That is really cool. Can I use that Magnaview paper to go check out other magnets?
Yeah, so you can use this to see the magnetic field of anything.
I really like that. Thank you, Reagan.